Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're with Izzy. She's a horse. Okay, let's get started. This is a really cool place. Comment down below if you want to see more videos on this game. It's really fun. Let's see what we can do. We can change what we look like. Okay, that's cool. Okay, if you want to see us do this again, maybe say in the comments what you want us to play on it. So we can also wounded, so we go super slow. We can also sneak and walk, trot and run super fast. Wow, this is a really cool game, guys. If you also want to see more videos with Izzy on it, comment down below. Let's do a jump. Should we explore the map a little bit, guys? I see there's loads of cherry trees. I'm just telling Izzy let's play tag. He's going to turn into a fox. Let's wait a moment over here. While we are waiting, here we go. I'm going to see if I'm able to change. I am. I will be a... I think I want to be a leopard. No, I need VIP. What can I? I think I might be a raven and see if I can fly. Okay, let's chase Izzy. Okay. This is kind of like a grassy map, guys. Let's explore a bit more, guys, before we leave. And we're going to do a part 2. Because I don't want the videos being too long. Ooh, another wall. Cool. This is so cool. Okay, bye.